Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, The Learning Corner. Today my topic is noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. Naming words are person, place, thing, or animal. Now I will explain the examples of persons. This is a picture of fisherman. Do you know fisherman? This is a picture of boy. Boy is a naming word. Girl is also a naming word. This is a picture of father, mother. Father and mother are persons. This is a picture of doctor. Now I give examples of places. This is a picture of park. You can play. This is a picture of school where you can read. This is a picture of Minare Pakistan. And this is a picture of bank in which do deposit the money. These are examples of things. Toys, telephone, and this is a example of swing machine. Swing machine is a naming word. Camera, this is a table. Chair, are many more examples of things. Now examples of animal. Zebra, this is a wild animal. This is a tiger. Tiger is example of animal. Animal is a naming word. Goat, and this is a rabbit. These are all examples of animals. Thank you. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।